The LaserVision SP3D Mini and VisionPro SP3D is ASC International's most cost-effective offline 3D solder paste inspection solutions. The SP3D has sophisticated laser-based sensor technology coupled with a user-friendly interface and updated Windows 10 operating system. The VisionPro SP3D provides an exceptional value proposition for those electronic manufacturers searching for a post-print yield improvement strategy with an unmatched return on investment ratio. Feature list included photorealistic cross-sectional profiles for advanced qualitative analysis, onboard fully integrated SPC run charts, histogram charts, and custom data reports, barcoding, data tagging, defect review, corrective action, and many more data management features allow for complete traceability. Gerber Pro import to generate easy-to-use program scripts, compressive 3.5 micron XY and 2 micron Z resolution, considered the best-in-class gauge R&R, top-of-line high-resolution color CCD camera with precision optics, an industry-leading 2-year warranty. The bottom line is the VisionPro SP3D and LaserVision Mini offer the lowest cost of ownership for any offline SPI machine of this quality and capability globally. Quick demonstration. We have a script set up. You can also measure all the features manually. In this case, we're just going to simply hit the run button. It's going to calculate. It's going to find the features first of all. We're going to hit continue. It's going to calculate the height, the width. You can also have the area and volume generated. A 3D rendering based on that cross-sectional profile extrapolated across that entire area. It does provide the data, real-time data, X-bar and R run chart data, as well as histogram data. And the lower right-hand corner is going to be your Gerber previewer, and it shows you where that measurement is located. I could continue to step through this process for all the locations that have been scripted. It simply just moves to the next location. If it continue, it's going to bring up the framework for the next position that we're looking for. Again, I could continue taking measurements, plotting the data, showing the distribution on that Gerber overview, and at the end of the run cycle, it'll bring up a pass or fail mode to allow you to go back, review it, add corrective actions, etc., to help improve that print process. Very straightforward, simple to use system. Again, SP3D and SP3D Mini are part of ASC International's 3D solder paste inspection system under the laser-based technology. Any questions, please visit us at ascinternational.com. Thank you.